What's the meaning of babel? Babel. Babel.
Babel. Babel. Babel refers to a biblical story about humanity's attempt to build a tower reaching the heavens, resulting in confusion and division through the creation of multiple languages. Today, the term Babel is often used to describe a confusing or chaotic situation where communication is difficult. It can also refer to a multitude of languages being spoken in one place. The word Babel thus carries connotations of both ambitious pursuits that result in chaos, as well as cultural diversity and linguistic differences that are difficult to navigate.